are strong, we are resilient, and we will get through this together. But these are stressful times, and it's important to also practice good self-care. It's normal to feel overwhelmed, anxious, or afraid, but there is hope. Reach out to someone, connect with your friends, stay in touch with your community, and know that you are not alone. Learn more at wearebroadcasters.com/hope, furnished by the National Association of Broadcasters and this station.
There are everyday actions to help prevent the spread of respiratory diseases. Wash your hands. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Stay home when you are sick. Cover your cough or sneeze. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects with household cleaning spray. For more information, visit cdc.gov/COVID-19. This message brought to you by the National Association of Broadcasters and this station.
The following program is paid for by an independent radio production company. Views expressed are not necessarily those of the staff, management, or ownership of KCHN.
Let's go! Bollywood entertainment, Bollywood gossip, Bollywood classics, to the latest hits, local news and events happening around town, giveaways, and lots of musty. This is Namaste Radio.
Every Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 12 noon. And a live show on Sundays from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. with your hosts, Vanchika, Sushil, and Dolly Deep on 1050 a.m.
Studio line 713-984-1013. Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download the app, available on your Android and iPhone. Modern Indian Radio.
Vote for Sheriff Troy Nels. He is the Republican candidate for Texas Congressional District 22. With over 30 years of service in law enforcement and military, he is running for Congress to secure the border, to cut our out-of-control 23 trillion debt, and to put service before self like he has always done. He is Sheriff Troy Nels. Vote for Sheriff Troy Nels. Early voting starts October 13. For details, visit nelsforcongress.com.
Take a moment and think about who you rely on most. Now think about how good it makes them feel that you depend on them. So never be afraid to rely on others, because it's when we live mutual that we become fulfilled. To learn how you can protect the people who count on you and secure the future you're building together, contact Lalit Chalan with Mass Mutual Greater Houston at 713-545-9269. That's 713-545-9269.
Namaste, friends. My name is JC Jatan, and I am running for state representative. I am a small business owner and family man, and like you, I want our community to be safe and our economy to be strong. Early voting starts October 13th and ends October 30th, and Election Day is on November 3rd. This is JC Jatan, and I appreciate your vote for state representative. Thank you.
Paid for by JC Jatan for state representative.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa invites you for our upcoming festive season. Special deals on eyebrow tinting, face polish, fruit scrub facials, and much more. This October only, we present to you our very special pumpkin spiced facial. Experience the beauty benefits this hidden gem facial holds. Come and embrace your beauty. Give yourself the me time you deserve.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m., Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text 856-693-8970. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog.
Jalebi and basundi available every day.
Different kind of unlimited items on the menu every day. All safety guidelines are being followed.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub, and Favor Saver apps, to-go boxes भी available हैं. For details, call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty, only at
Maharaja Bhog.
3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's up?
Baby, let's go.
Namaste. Namaste. You're tuned in to Namaste Radio.
Namaste Radio.
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागर। जब जब जुल्म की आंधी बढ़ती है, उसे रोकने के लिए एक तूफान आता है।
That is right. Namaste, namaste, everyone. This is Namaste Radio right here on 1050 a.m. every single Sunday from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. A live show for all of you guys. But guess what? Also on 1050 a.m., you can also listen to us online at namasteradiohouston.com. Listen to us on iPhone and Android apps. Just go to the Apple App Store or Google Play and get the Namaste Radio Houston app, of course. And you can also listen to us on Amazon Alexa products. Just say, hey, Alexa, play Namaste Radio live. And watch us on our live stream. We have 3 places you can watch the live stream. You have it on Facebook, of course. Hello and namaste to everybody on Facebook. Hi, Vanchika. I'll see you soon. And yes, that was a great dialogue. By, of course, my favorite, Big B. And you can also watch us on our YouTube channel, Namaste Radio Houston, and watch us on our website, namasteradiohouston.com. So plenty of ways to listen and watch Namaste Radio, which is every Sunday live show, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. I want to tell you guys right now, this start of the show is brought to you by Bob's Lounge and Grill. Bob's Lounge and Grill, you need to go there. They are open every day from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Why you need to go there? Because they have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese, and Goan dishes. Not many places in Houston have Goan dishes, but yes, you definitely do need to go and check out Bob's Lounge and Grill. Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Open 7 days a week from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Number is 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Visit their website, bobsloungeandgrill.com, or like them on Facebook. Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram. Again, the number is 281-974-4918. And yes, why I started the show off with that dialogue today from the movie Tufan, and why I did that, because today I'm going to do a very special segment on my favorite actor of all time, whether it's Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood, any industry. Yes, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. That's right, Amitabh Bachchan's birthday is today, on October the 11th. And that one of my favorite dialogues, one of the favorite entrances that he's ever had in a movie was from the movie Tufan. Tufan comes in, he enters, he has that dialogue, the music, everything. That was good. That was amazing. But yes, Amitabh's birthday today. So this segment and also the last segment at 4 o'clock, I'll do a special segment on Amitabh Bachchan's birthday. So if you are a big Amitabh fan like myself and you have any requests, you can call me in the studio, 713-984-1013. And Vanchika wants me to say the dialogue, but I think I'll leave it to Big B. He did it better. And, I don't want to embarrass myself here. But, okay, how about this? Throughout the show, I'll try to practice it. And when these guys join me late in the show, I'll try it then. But otherwise, I think right now I'll let Big B handle that. But, yes, also in this segment, we're going to have a special interview as well. So, I'm going to continue Amitabh's birthday throughout the segment and also at the 4 o'clock hour. But plenty of Amitabh stuff today. If you want to have a special request for an Amitabh song, you can call me in the studio, 713-984-1013. Or you can drop a comment on our Facebook Live video. But let's go ahead and get into my first Big B song of the day, my favorite one of all time. And that was from the movie by the name of Hum. That's right. And of course, if I'm going to play a song from that movie, of course, it has to be the one and only Jumma Jumma Dede. That's right, Jumma Jumma Dede as the first song right here on Namaste Radio, 10:50 a.m. And like I mentioned, if you have any requests for any Amitabh songs, you can call me in the studio, 713-984-1013. That's 713-984-1013.
चुम्मा चुम्मा दे दे चुम्मा चुम्मा दे दे चुम्मा 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 दे दे चुम्मा चुम्मा दे दे चुम्मा जुम्मे के दिन किया जुम्मे का वादा जुम्मे को तोड़ दिया जुम्मे का वादा ले आ गया रे फिर जुम्मा 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 दे दे जुम्मा 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 जाते जुम्मा जुम्मा जाते जुम्मा जुम्मे के दिन किया जुम्मे का वादा जुम्मे को तोड़ दिया जुम्मे का वादा कर पूजा जुम्मे जमा जुम्मा 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 ना दे जुम्मा 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 दे दे जुम्मा जुम्मा दे दे जुम्मा
मूछें हो तो नथुलाल जी जैसी हो वरना ना।
ये तो आपका बड़कपन है।
मेरा बड़प्पन है, मूछें बड़ी आप।
That's right, it is Amitabh Bachchan's birthday today, October the 11th. We are doing a special segment on that in this first hour, and we also have a very special interview that'll be coming up very, very soon in the next few minutes. But yes, his next one now that I will get into from the movie Lawaris, which is another one of my all the songs that I'll be playing today are all my favorite ones of his, but that is called Apni To Jaise Taise from the movie Lawaris. That is up next on Namaste Radio, so keep it locked here. Again, if you have any requests, you can call me in the studio, 713-984-1013, or drop a comment on our Facebook Live.
अपनी
That's right. Amitabh's birthday segment right here on Namaste Radio 1050 AM. And I do want to let you guys know that, yes, election is coming up very, very soon. An early election is also coming up very soon. So vote for Troy Nehls for Congress. He is the Republican candidate for Texas Congressional District 22. Over 30 years of service in law enforcement and military, he is running for Congress to secure the border, cut our out-of-control $23 trillion debt, and put service before self like he has done his entire career. Elect Troy Nehls for Congress, Trevor Nehls for Sheriff. Early voting starts October 13th. To volunteer or more information on Sheriff Nehls, visit nehls4congress.com. That is NEHLS4congress.com. Again, NEHLS4, the word for, F-O-R, congress.com. Let's now get into another one of Amitabh's classic songs right here on Namaste Radio. Again, any requests, call me in the studio, 713-984-1013, or drop a comment on our Facebook Live video.
La 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 साथी रे तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, ओ साथी रे तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना। फूलों में कलियों में सपनों की गलियों में, फूलों में गलियों में सपनों की गलियों में, तेरे बिना कुछ कहीं ना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, ओ साथी रे तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना। हर धड़कन में प्यास है तेरी, सांसों में तेरी खुशबू है, इस धरती से उस अंबर तक मेरी नजर में तू ही तू है। प्यार ये टूटे ना, प्यार ये टूटे ना, तू मुझसे रूठे ना, साथ ये झूठे कभी ना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, ओ साथी रे तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना।
We will continue more of the Amitabh segment right here on Namaste Radio 1050 AM. It's going to be a fun and exciting day right here. But yes, after we are getting onto our entertainment break, after the break, we will be speaking with we are speaking with Gayatri Rao, who is a supporter of the Shri campaign. Right after these messages right here, then we will continue the Amitabh segment, of course, our Bollywood segment, birthdays, and much, much more. Keep it locked here, Namaste Radio 1050 AM.
Namaste Radio on 1050 AM. Modern Indian Radio.
The son of an immigrant father, former Foreign Service officer, Shri Kulkarni is running for Congress. In Congress, Shri will separate politics from the pandemic. He'll work to reopen Texas safely, help small businesses recover, and ensure everyone has affordable health care, even if they have had COVID-19. In Congress, we can count on Shri to fight for all Texas families. Vote for Shri. Early voting starts October 13th through October 30th. Election day is November 3rd. Shri2020.com.
I'm Shri Preston Kulkarni, candidate for Congress, and I approve this message.
Paid for by Shri for Congress.
Arey yaar, I had a long day at work and need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese and Goan dishes. साथ में music और pool table भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Open 7 days a week from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Or visit them at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram.
Though the times are uncertain, let's savor our little moments. Moments of families being together. Moments like when your favorite meal arrives at Arling's or at your home. Little moments matter the most, and Arling's is here to make those moments happen. Arling's Chinese, open for dine-in, delivery and takeout. Open to make those moments. Visit us at arlingschinese.com.
गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको नवरात्रि के शुभ अवसर पे आमंत्रित करता है. Starting Saturday 17th October to Monday 26th October. Come to the temple on Sunday October 25th for the Navami Puja. Mahapuja starts at 3:30 p.m. प्रसाद भी बांटा जाएगा. Volunteers and sponsors please call करें 832-466-9868. गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट स्वीट 701 पे. आज ही कॉल कीजिए पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868.
कोई बात नहीं सेन्योरिटा, कोई बात नहीं. बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं.
You're listening to Namaste Radio.
Modern Indian Radio.
Welcome back to Namaste Radio on 1050 AM, NamasteRadioHouston.com, on our iPhone and Android apps, on Amazon Alexa products, and watch the live stream on our Facebook, YouTube, and our website. And now being joined right here on this bottom of the hour segment by Aap Sabki favorite, Vanchika, right here. Hello.
Namaste everyone, and Namaste Deep. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
आज मैं पहले आ गई हाँ फर्स्ट आवर में. I am so happy. It was a little different Sunday, you know, coming here जल्दी. But अगर मैं आई हूँ तो कोई स्पेशल रीजन ही होगा, right?
Yep, absolutely.
So सबसे पहले again namaste everyone. Hello. Hope y'all are having a beautiful Sunday morning, and it has gotten more beautiful because आप सब हमारे साथ हैं, हमें सुन रहे हैं, and all the mediums that Deep just mentioned. So going forward, I want to introduce y'all to a special guest, and she's well known in our community. She, you know, for different reasons, she works forward for, you know, different organizations. I mean, you know, I've known her personally, so I know that about her. But today, she's here for a special message because elections are probably 3 weeks away. Lekin early voting starts in just 48 hours. So it is very important for all of y'all to make sure that आप लोग early voting के लिए, you know, ready हो and you know your candidate. So everyone, please join me in welcoming Gayatri Rao, and she is the supporter of Shri Kulkarni, Shri Preston Kulkarni. आप सबको पता है, हम इनके बारे में काफ़ी टाइम से बात कर रहे हैं. He is standing, or he is running for Congress for the 22nd district. So let's go ahead and welcome Gayatri Rao. Hi Gayatri, welcome, namaste आपको.
Namaste, Vanchika and Deep. Thank you so much for that kind introduction. I'm so happy to be here and supporting Sri Preston Kulkarni.
Welcome, namaste.
Welcome. So, Gayatri, more than me asking you anything, I would love for you to just go ahead and tell all our listeners, all our viewers in different platforms, why are you supporting Sri? And, why should, if they are still indecisive, why should they support Sri?
Okay. Yeah, actually, I met Sri a couple of times over the years, and I see that he is very passionate. He worked in foreign service, and to leave that job and come back to this country and, run for an office so he can make a difference. That is compassion, that shows how dedicated he is. And if you look around nowadays, you see our country is divided. There is so much hostility, fear, hatred, and racism. And I have two kids growing up, actually grown-up kids, and I worry about their future. I feel like we need to change the tide, the country is going towards. From the national level to the our local level, I think we need a big change. And I think Sri is the best person to make that change because he has experience working in the in the foreign service, and he knows diplomacy. He can bring people together. I've been volunteering closely with his campaign, and I see that there's people from all kind of culture, language, color, race. He brings everybody together. And, they actually campaign in 27 different languages. And Sri himself speaks 6 languages. And that says something about him. He is going to unite us. He's going to bring unity, decency, everything back to our, country. And we will start with Fort Bend County. Fort Bend County is like a melting pot. We have people from all over the world, and I think a person like Sri is going to, be the best candidate to bring all of us together and take the country into a different direction. And I'm worried about my kids' future and the next generation. I think we need a big change, and that's why I'm supporting Sri.
Absolutely. And like you said, you have been a part of his campaign. So, even when it comes to phone banks, tell us, an insider experience of how it is when you are working there, even calling people. What kind of, what have you seen or heard from the normal public?
Yes, actually, I work mainly with the Desi phone bank. So, and in the Desi phone bank itself, there are different like Gujarati, Malayalam, Konkani, Tamil, Telugu, all kinds of phone banking. And then there's general, and I usually go for general phone banking. And people are like, they are recognizing that we need a person like Sri who has a diverse background and to lead us. So I see a lot of positivity and we get a lot of positive feedback.
Oh, wonderful. Yes. So early voting is just around the corner. When are you going for your are you going on Tuesday itself, or you're going to wait a week and then, when do you plan to go?
Actually, I'm going to go in next week because my husband is going to be out of state. So, out of town this coming week. So, me, my husband, and my son want to vote together. So, we're going to go next week. But we're going to make sure we vote in the early election period because we don't, we want to make sure, we do it in a safely manner,
Absolutely. And this is one of the main messages, I want to give across to all my viewers and listeners today, that definitely do go and vote during the early voting time, especially keeping, COVID-19 in mind, because, the rush is less. You don't see a lot of, you're not waiting for the last day. So, and sometimes you never know anything can happen in life, right? So, you don't want to miss the chance to vote for your candidate. So,
I really recommend, and also if people are worried about COVID, I know they have curbside voting too. So please go out and vote. Your life depends on it. Your kids' future depends on it. And I think you can safely do it. If you go during the early voting, they have curbside voting and everything. So please go and vote. And I also like to remind that if elected, she will be the first Asian American of Congress from Texas. And Texas, the demography has changed since I came here 23 years ago. I think it's a melting pot, and we need the right representation in Congress. And Sri is the best candidate to represent us in Congress. So I can't emphasize that enough because, Sri understands the struggle the immigrants go through because he himself grew up in a household. His dad was an immigrant like us,
Yes.
and he knows the problems that, a lot of people faces today with the economic downturn happening, people losing job, and also, the healthcare. That's a big problem for all of us because I read that and I also talked to some people about it because Sri's father was diagnosed with leukemia and they were at the verge of bankruptcy. And I'm sure many of us can relate to those kind of situations. And he understands this, and he understands that, we need affordable health care for everybody. We don't have to worry that, should I take my husband or my kid to the hospital because I won't be able to afford to pay for the bills. We don't have to worry about that. Those kind of things are very important to all of us. And Sri is aware of all of this and he's going to work for us. And another thing very close to my heart is this, right now it's COVID-19. And, we need to control this COVID by listening to scientists and doctors, wearing masks and social distancing and washing hands. And so, Sri is going to listen to doctors and scientists, and we are going to make sure that, we wipe the COVID out. And, we need we need a candidate who listens to the scientists and doctors. Same with the environment, we need to listen to scientists, otherwise we won't leave anything for our next generation. So it's very important.
Absolutely. And like Gayatri said, Sri is the candidate for Congress this time. So if you want any further details, and you can go to his Facebook page, which is Sri for Congress 2020, or the website shri2020.com. And you can also, is it okay if somebody reaches out to you, Gayatri, to get involved in the campaign, help out? So Gayatri Rao, and is there an email or a Facebook page that you want to share, Gayatri, that that people can reach out to you?
Yes, my Facebook page is Gayatri Rao, of course, and I can even give out my phone number if you need, because I want people to reach out to me and ask me questions about Sri if they have any doubts. And if you are still sitting on the fence thinking, should I vote for Sri, please call me. I would like to talk to you, and I would like to tell you why he's a great candidate. And my number is 281-896-7774.
Thank you so much, Gayatri. And one last message before we let you go today.
Sure. Go ahead.
What is the last message that you would want to give out?
Okay. Voting is very important. Please, don't think that my one vote is not going to make a difference. It does make a difference. Please go out and vote. And if you need, anybody to drive you to the polling station, if you need any information, please reach out to one of the volunteers. Like I gave out my number, you can reach out to me. I will personally drive you myself. So please go out and vote.
So nice.
It's very important. And, it's very important to vote in the early voting period. That is October 13th to October 30th. So, and you can vote anywhere, that in your county,
Yes.
So don't wait till November 3rd. Wait in the early voting and vote for Sri Preston Kulkarni for Texas 22 Congressional District. Thank you.
Thank you, Gayatri, and good luck to all the supporters, volunteers, and good luck to Sri. Again, Sri for Congress, District 22. Shri2020.com, and today we had the opportunity to hear from, I would call her one of the biggest supporters of Shri. So thank you so much, Gayatri, for taking out time on a Sunday afternoon and talking to us and, sharing so passionately with all our viewers and listeners. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me once again, Deep. Appreciate it. Have a great Sunday, everyone.
You too. Thank you. And yes, that was Gayatri Rao, Shri2020.com. It's time to vote, guys. Time to vote.
अरे कोठे से लगा दो सीढ़ी का क्या काम है, कोठे से लगा दो सीढ़ी का क्या काम है, मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है। अरे जिसकी बीवी मोटी उसका भी बड़ा नाम है, जिसकी बीवी मोटी 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 मोटी, जिसकी बीवी मोटी उसका भी बड़ा नाम है। बिस्तर पे लेटा दो, अरे बिस्तर पे लेटा दो, गद्दे का क्या काम है, बिस्तर पे लेटा दो, गद्दे का क्या काम है, मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है। अरे जिसकी बीवी काली उसका भी बड़ा नाम है, जिसकी बीवी काली, अरे जिसकी बीवी काली उसका भी बड़ा नाम है। आंखों में बसा लो, अरे आंखों में बसा लो, सुरमे का क्या काम है, आंखों में बसा लो, सुरमे का क्या काम है, मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है।
Namaste Radio on 1050 AM. Modern Indian Radio. Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Hello, this is Pradeep Salhan of PSPC Bookkeeping Services. Call us today at 281-580-8700 or 281-583-2993. Our services include bookkeeping, income tax returns, company formation and startup, tax strategies and consulting, and much, much more. We are located at 14340 Torrey Chase Boulevard, Suite 110, Houston, 77014. So call us at 281-580-8700 and ask for Pradeep or Sid. Again, that's 281-580-8700 or 281-583-2993. Thank you and namaste.
Namaste, friends. My name is JC Jatan, and I am running for state representative. I am a small business owner and family man, and like you, I want our community to be safe and our economy to be strong. Early voting starts October 13th and ends October 30th, and Election Day is on November 3rd. This is JC Jatan, and I appreciate your vote for state representative. Thank you.
Paid for by JC Jatan for state representative. Vote for Sheriff Troy Nels. He is the Republican candidate for Texas Congressional District 22. With over 30 years of service in law enforcement and military, he is running for Congress to secure the border, to cut our out-of-control 23 trillion debt, and to put service before self like he has always done. He is Sheriff Troy Nels. Vote for Sheriff Troy Nels. Early voting starts October 13. For details, visit nelsforcongress.com.
Take a moment and think about who you rely on most. Now think about how good it makes them feel that you depend on them. So never be afraid to rely on others, because it's when we live mutual that we become fulfilled. To learn how you can protect the people who count on you and secure the future you're building together, contact Lalit Jalan with Mass Mutual Greater Houston at 713-545-9269. That's 713-545-9269.
Hello, my name is Trevor Nails, and I'm your candidate for Fort Bend County Sheriff. I encourage you to listen to Namaste Radio. Hi, my name is Troy Nails. I'm your county sheriff, and now I'm running for Congress, and it would be an honor and a privilege to represent you in Washington, D.C. Namaste Radio.
That's right. Welcome back to Namaste Radio right here on 1050 AM, NamasteRadioHouston.com, on our iPhone and Android apps, on Amazon Alexa products, and also watch the live stream on our Facebook, YouTube, and on our website. So plenty of ways to listen to the show, plenty of ways to watch the show. And yes, I'm already joined in this first hour. I'm already joined by Aap Sabki favorite. I'm getting tongue twisted. Yeah, exactly. Aap Sabki favorite, Vanchika, and Houston ka hero, Sushil.
Yeah! Woohoo! Hi, Sushil.
Hi, Vanchika. कैसी हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
Good. कैसे हैं आप? Normally this is your question. Namaste to all our listeners. आप सबको welcome. Namaste. Uzazi. Namaste. मैं क्या सस्री अकाल. How are you this week?
How are you guys?
We are doing absolutely fine, and
I'm sunburned.
He's sunburned. I'm overeaten.
Whose son did you get burnt from?
Overeaten.
Let's see. The son of what do you call it?
Son of
Galveston.
Son of Galveston.
Son of Galveston.
सूरज कौन है?
How was your birthday week? So संदीप का मैं सबको बता दूं, birthday जो होता है ना वो एक दिन नहीं होता है.
No.
संदीप का birthday.
It's like a desi wedding.
Like he reminds me of my 10 or early teen days. Like it used to be the entire week.
Yeah.
Like आज इसके साथ, आज इसके साथ, आज इसके साथ, इसके साथ, इसके साथ. So
तो शादी करने की क्या जरूरत है? तेरा बर्थडे हर किसी के साथ बन रहा है.
Has it ended, Sandeep? Your birthday celebration still yet?
I don't think it has, and I just got a text that maybe it might continue.
Ooh, और हमारे साथ तो तुमने मनाया नहीं.
I did tell you guys, but you guys are too busy for me. Look at that.
No, but you said next week, no? We are partying.
Oh yeah, we are.
Right?
Partying. Yeah.
So yes.
Oh yeah, so tonight, and then it continues next week.
तो continue हो रहा है.
Continues for the month, I guess.
लेकिन तुम्हारा बर्थडे आया बहुत अच्छे टाइम पे है, because क्या शुरू होने वाली है? नवरात्रि. Yes. तो बताओ सबको.
After Navratri is what? Diwali.
Yeah. उससे पहले करवा चौथ भी है.
Oh, that's what you got.
और किसी का बर्थडे भी है.
उसके बाद Thanksgiving भी है.
Yes. So share with everybody about.
No.
I was going to say Karwa Chauth, no, but I mean Navratri. Navratri शुरू होने वाली है 17 अक्टूबर को, which is next week. And सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल में आप सबको आप जा सकते हैं नवमी पूजा के लिए. 25 तारीख को है नवमी पूजा, October 25th. So महापूजा 3:30 बजे है, आरती 7 बजे है, प्रसाद भी होगा.
किसका?
But definitely please wear face mask and definitely maintain 6 feet distance. For details, you can reach out to Pandit Pradeep Pandya ji at 832-466-9868 and follow Gauri Siddhi Vinayak Temple on Facebook and Instagram.
That's right. So, how was birthday?
How was birthday? Only you can tell us.
I had 3 cakes this weekend. So I've definitely cheated on my diet the entire week, which Monday I'm going to start back to.
At least you were exercising. It's been 2 weeks since I've done any kind of exercise.
2 weeks?
Yeah, it's been 2 weeks. I was sick for a week.
You're
and
fine
then,
though. I mean, you're not like me that needs to get rid of the belly.
I do have some little bit.
It's hard. It's hard to tell on you though. You can't really see the.
He's just fishing for compliments.
No, I'm not fishing for anything. My fishing was done a long time ago.
Anyways, now that you're here, Sushil, I got another Big B fan.
Yes, absolutely. तभी मैंने कहा था कि I was listening to you on the radio and जैसे तूने बताया वो जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर. I told Vanchika, I said Tufan.
Tufan, yes. I have a bunch of his dialogues, but one of my favorite ones. Let me get it to it right here real quick, and you tell me too.
अरे बाबूजी ऐसी इंग्लिश आवे that
Okay, I walk English, I talk English. Namak halal.
I can talk English, I can walk English, I can laugh English because English is a very funny language.
Yeah.
Bhairav becomes narrow and Naram becomes Bhairav because their minds are very narrow.
That's right.
Namak halal.
Namak halal. Okay.
Shashi Kapoor, Amitabh Bachchan. Was it Praveen Bhavi or what's the other one's name? The Praveen Bhavi and the other one always looked alike, right? What was her name?
The one that looked.
Zeenat Aman.
So
I don't think they looked alike.
I always thought they looked alike.
Praveen Bhavi was way more beautiful.
I think there was Praveen Bhavi in the movie.
I think Zeenat Aman was just way more less clothes and stylish.
I thought that was Praveen Bhavi actually, not Zeenat Aman.
Praveen Bhavi was like genuinely beauty.
Hey, don't just focus on Satyam Shivam Sundaram. There were other movies here too.
I am other movies also I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So
but yeah, that was the Namak halal dialogue. And now the song, not from that movie, a different movie.
Sharabi.
इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की आई ना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की ये हमें है यकीन बेवफा वो नहीं फिर वजह क्या हुई इंतजार की इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की आई ना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की ये हमें है यकीन बेवफा वो नहीं फिर वजह क्या हुई इंतजार की
And the award goes to Charu Palkam Shetty because she said,
right.
yeah, Smita Patil. Congratulations, Charu. You get a nice
And
tight hug from me.
Shashi Kapoor.
Yeah, so Shashi Kapoor with Praveen Bhavi and Amitabh with Smita. There was 2 heroes.
Oh, okay.
Praveen Bhavi was beautiful.
Yeah.
I know that for sure.
That is true. She
Sushil, you renamed her. You called her Smita Patio.
did I? It's not me. It's the iPhone spell check.
It's type.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It doesn't
spell check.
recognize Patil.
Yeah.
I think it only recognizes Shahs. Shahs or Patels.
That's right.
iPhone.
Yeah.
Or Metas.
Yeah. Yeah, he did a lot of movies with Shashi Kapoor. Though. A lot of movies with. I've lost track of how many he's done with him. Right?
With whom? Shashi Kapoor?
Well, Amitabh and Shashi Kapoor, yeah. They did a lot together.
Yeah, they did. Janu Meri Jaan. Shan was another movie they did together.
How about, let me quiz you. I'm sure you know. A movie that Shashi Kapoor directed, Amitabh starred in?
Ajuba.
Wow. He is Amitabh fan.
Oh, he directed Ajuba.
He did.
I didn't like Ajuba.
Which almost
loved
made
it.
it bankrupt.
Yeah, I think मैंने आधी भी नहीं देखी होगी Ajuba.
Yeah. That's
I
still
liked
one
Shehenshah more though than
Shehenshah.
Ajuba.
Shahenshah was a different class.
But my favorite Amitabh Bachchan movie was Silsila.
I always get confused between
Rocky?
Silsila and Kabhi Kabhi.
Wait, no.
I always feel the storyline is very similar.
Actually, you know what? You're right. I like Kabhi Kabhi more.
So did Silsila had Rocky, right?
Yeah, Silsila had Rakhi and Jaya Bachchan, and it kind of was the story on their real life, right?
No, Kabhi Kabhi Silsila had. I thought Silsila had Rekha.
No, yeah, he's right. Silsila did have it.
Yeah, so I am talking about Rekha. Oh, did you say Rakhi?
Yeah, you
said
Sorry, that was
Rakhi.
Kabhi Kabhi. No, I thought he's saying Rekha.
Yeah,
and
Silsila
I
had Rekha and
Rekha and Jaya Bachchan.
With Rang Barse, where he's flirting
Yes.
more with Rekha, right?
That's,
In front of her.
I'm telling you, no, uska real
Real
life
life
story
thing.
Real
chal
life-
raha tha.
real
It was a
life
Yash Chopra movie. He tried to portray the real life and sold it to
Yeah.
people, which people loved. But
Yeah.
I like Kabhi Kabhi more though.
Okay.
With Shashi Kapoor is also in there. No, he plays his older brother, right?
नहीं, he plays a friend, army officer.
Friend.
जिसका plane crash हुआ था and
Oh.
Rakhi's pregnant, so he marries her.
Oh,
But he's in love with somebody else. I forgot who was the other heroine was.
I don't know.
In Kabhi Kabhi.
In Kabhi. Let's see if Chara knows. She can probably tell us.
Oh,
But yeah.
you know what? It was again Rekha maybe. I think. Tell Charu if you know, you
Yeah.
let us know.
Okay. But yeah, another dialogue which is actually Namaste is dialogue too. Actually, let me play that.
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. Is that the one?
That's one too.
हम भी वही हैं जो लाइन वाला.
हम भी वो हैं जो कभी किसी के पीछे नहीं खड़े होते, जहाँ खड़े हो जाते हैं लाइन
वहीं
वहीं
से शुरू होती है.
नंबरदार भर दे ताली.
Yeah.
Kuli.
Kalia.
Oh, Kalia this is.
Yeah.
कुछ
One
नहीं
strike.
आता अमिताभ बच्चन के बारे में. शाहरुख खान की क्विज
One
करो
strike.
ऐसे मैं फटाफट बताऊंगी.
When your birthday comes in. Yeah, his birthday is around yours, right?
His
Around
birthday and my birthday में सिर्फ 24 घंटे का फर्क है.
Oh,
His
look at
birthday
that.
2nd November mine.
तो तुम्हारे भैया लगे हो?
ठीक है भैया भी लगे, एटलीस्ट एडमिरेशन है ना. ठीक है कोई बात नहीं.
Yeah. I mean, I can't. It's hard to say which Amitabh movie I like the most because it's just too many. Like, if I asked you what's your favorite Shah Rukh movie, I don't know. Would you be
Me?
able to?
Me.
Oh, you probably have a list. Like, okay.
Yeah, I have a list.
Yeah.
But I think
For me-
I can keep watching कुछ कुछ होता है and कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
For me, I think his brilliance in acting was. बाकी सब movies तो ठीक है. I think he
Yeah.
cakewalked it. Brilliance of Shah Rukh's acting. If you want to see, there's two movies. I think Veer Zara was still okay. He did a good job. But one of my favorite all-time movies is Chak De. I think he did phenomenal.
Oh yeah, Chuck Din. Yeah. Definitely.
He actually
लेकिन
acted.
आज
for a
हम
change.
अमिताभ बच्चन के बारे में बात करेंगे.
So you asked me his first movie he ever did. That was Saath Hindustani, right?
Yes.
And my dad says he said make sure you tell this on air. My dad said that when he was in high school.
Who,
at that
Dad or
time-
Amitabh?
My dad was.
Oh.
And when Saath Hindustani came out, my dad skipped school to watch the first day.
ओहो, अब पता चला संदीप में जो अमिताभ बच्चन के फैन होने का मतलब पैशन है वो अंकल के वजह से.
नहीं, मुझे कुछ और पता लगा.
क्या?
लाइफ में अगर बड़ा आदमी बनना है तो स्कूल स्किप करो.
Yes. Yes.
पढ़ाई लिखाई में क्या रखा है?
But yes,
Absolutely.
that was it. Then we played the Kalia dialogue, now the song from that movie. Sushil?
जहाँ तेरी ये खबर है.
Yeah, Nazar.
हाँ, नजर है. You're right.
फटाफट ढिंगड़ी पका पको 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 पो ढिंग फटाफट ढिंगड़ी पका पको 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 पो. जहाँ तेरी ये नजर है मेरी जान मुझे खबर है. जहाँ तेरी ये नजर है मेरी जान मुझे खबर है. बच ना सका कोई आए कितने लंबे हैं मेरे हाथ इतने. देख इधर यार ध्यान किधर है. अरे देख इधर यार ध्यान किधर है. जहाँ तेरी ये नजर है मेरी जान मुझे खबर है.
Kalia, he was in. He goes to jail, right? in the movie?
Yeah. So जो उसका भाई होता है, I think Amjad Khan plays his brother, right?
Yes, I do think.
That who dies, उसका हाथ वाथ कट जाता है, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Kalia movie, and then Amjad Khan is the villain, maybe I don't remember. Well, लेकिन इसका भाई होता है movie में जिसका हाथ वाथ कट जाता है. He doesn't have. His brother goes to his Malik कि थोड़े पैसे दे दे वगैरह, घर पे खाने को नहीं है. कादर खान भाई होता है, I don't remember. So his brother dies, then Amitabh takes a vow to he becomes Kalia. कल्लू नाम होता है उसका. He becomes Kalia, and then he takes a vow that जो भी उसका ओनर था, भाई का मालिक था, उसको बर्बाद कर देगा. So then he goes into illegal business.
एक्चुअली कभी कभी में बाद में मेन एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस ऋषि कपूर और नीतू सिंह होते हैं
बाद में.
हाँ, बट मेनली स्टोरी उनके ही होती है, राइट?
Isn't that where he also plays a father too? Like he's a father of a
Rishi Kapoor.
Huh?
He's a father of Rishi Kapoor,
Shashi
who
is, right?
who actually is the kid of Rakhi and Shashi Kapoor.
Yeah,
because he marries Rakhi, na, in Kabhi Kabhi.
But in their younger days, that's where Rakhi and Amitabh had and that's the movie, right? In their younger days, they had a affair, right?
They did too.
Rakhi and no, not in real life. In the movie,
no. So in the movie, Shashi and Rakhi had an affair. They didn't get married. He was an air something. Works in Indian Air Force. Plane crashes. She's pregnant, so he marries her. But he's in love with somebody else.
That was okay. Hold on. You're confusing both the movies. Okay.
See, I was getting confused between Silsila and Kabhi
Silsila
Kabhi.
mein that happens. Shashi Kapoor is his older brother. Okay. Because I saw it recently.
He marries his bhabhi. I know.
He is in love with Jaya Bachchan. Okay. And this guy is in love with Rekha. But he's a Air Force officer, and he meets with an accident. He dies. So Amitabh Bachchan marries Jaya Bachchan. Okay. And she marries that other guy, Rekha.
Farooq Sheikh. Farooq Sheikh was in the movie, right?
Not Farooq Sheikh. There's another actor. Big Andhi movie ka actor kaun tha?
Oh, I don't know his name.
You know who I'm talking about.
Hurricane.
Anyways, moving forward.
Yes. Moving forward, I want to tell all you guys, like Vanchika said, early voting begins in 48 hours, right? It's already the
13th October, guys.
Yeah, that's right. So, yes, vote for Troy Nehls for Congress. He is a Republican candidate for Texas Congressional District 22. To volunteer or more information, nehls4congress.com. That's NEHLSFOR Congress.com. Early voting starts October 13th. And also elect Troy Nehls for Congress and Trevor Nehls for sheriff. Again, that is nehls4congress.com.
Fort Bend County Sheriff.
That's right.
That's right. Sanjeev Kumar, my dad. Thank you. He was Rekha's husband in Kabhi Kabhi.
Oh, Sanjeev.
No, Silsila.
Oh, Silsila.
Sanjeev Kumar, yeah.
Oh, Sanjeev.
Wow. Okay. Quiz. I'm sure Sushil is going to get it too.
Mm-hmm.
The movie and the song where Amitabh wore a jacket with 100 light bulbs on it.
Oh, Sara Zamana. No. अरे यार नहीं यार. तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ? That's the name of the movie. दोस्ताना.
नीतू सिंह होती है.
दोस्ताना.
Is Dostana or is it Yarana?
Yarana, sorry, Yarana.
Dostana.
It's almost same meaning to वही है ना यार. दोस्ताना हो या Yarana हो. Him and Amjad Khan were very good friends.
Yeah. 100 light bulbs on his jacket.
तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ, right? That's the movie.
Yep.
ले मान ले मेरी